Good morning. Well, the Aussie share market is eyeing a lift of 1.6% today. That's if you go by the futures. Now, that'll help us definitely recover some of the 2.3% loss of last week. Today, millions of Aussies will receive a second $750 payment. The one-off cash payment will go to eligible pensioners, carers and students. Now, it'll cost the government about $4 billion. And free childcare ends today after 3 months, while some parents will continue to receive 100 hours per fortnight subsidised until October 4. Now, looking at the US, despite COVID cases there rising to a record high, US stocks charged ahead on Friday after Gilead reported its coronavirus candidate showed a significant improvement in clinical recovery and 62% reduction in the mortality rate compared to the current level of care. The Dow Jones rose 369 points or 1.4%, the S&P 500 up 1.1% and the Nasdaq charging 0.7%. Standout stocks included Netflix, which turned up 8%, rallying after Goldman Sachs announced Netflix shares will grow 30% in 12 months. And Amazon shares rose to another all-time high after Citi increased their price target for the logistics giant. Now, on the commodity front, the oil price lifted 2% to $40.55. Gold has steadied to $1,801 and the iron ore price last traded 0.9% higher to $105. That's in 12-month high neighbourhood. And in New York, BHP rose 1.1%. Now, what to watch today? We'll expect stocks linked to the economic recovery to attempt a slight clawback following Wall Street's lead. There's no economic news out today, but it will flow from tomorrow with NAB's business confidence out for June. Wednesday, consumer confidence is out. Thursday, unemployment data. Consensus is expecting unemployment will lift from 7.1 to 7.4%. That's less than the RBA's forecast of 10%. Now, if the data is better than expected, expect the market to rally along with banks and consumer discretionary stocks. Now to local trading ideas. UBS has reiterated Nine Entertainment NEC as a buy with a $1.70 target after the CFO announced his resignation after a family member passed away. At the same time, Nine announced its full-year earnings, or EBITDA, for FY20 should be $390 to $410 million. Now, that's better than UBS is expecting. Secondly, Bell Potter increased its buy rating and target for NAB to $19.90, wholly based on a valuation change given NAB lost 4.7% last week. And thirdly, Bell Potter initiated coverage of Calix CXL as a speculative buy with a $1.10 target after it's growing its organic revenue amid its US expansion into differentiated water treatments. All in all, Calix has 5 targets from CO2 emissions in cement manufacture to commercialising aquaculture and crop protection with a total combined market of $70 billion. I'm Jess Amir with Bell Direct. Thanks for your company. Happy trading.